Introduction. Everybody compares themselves to other people and have been doing this since they were a child. It is a natural thing for people to do because it provides a frame of reference for who they are and where they are in life. The problem is that most comparisons are negative and based on insecurities and fear. This can lead a person to becoming very bitter about another individual and even angry. Negative comparisons like these often damage a person's self-worth because they believe that they are not good enough. Some people use comparisons to boost their ego and to validate that they are great. This can often backfire, and when it does, the person is left feeling angry and bitter, and their self-esteem takes a big hit. People make validation comparisons for quick ego boosts, but these are not foolproof by any means. There are a lot of people that idolize others and end up being overly dependent on them. They dedicate their lives to making these people happy, and can only be happy themselves if they feel they have done enough. In this situation, the person being idolized has too much control of the other person. Not all comparisons are bad, as you will learn in this training. You can use comparisons to improve your life, and you will learn exactly how to do this here. The aim of this training is to move you away from negative comparisons and start using positive comparisons to make your life better.